Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an algebraic equation x to the power x is equal to 16, or taking ln to both sides, we can write ln of this x to the power x is equal to right side. This will be ln of this 16. We have taken this ln to the both side, or applying this formula, ln of a to the power b is equal to this b times ln of a. Now applying this formula to left side, we can write ln of x to the power x is equal to this x times this ln of x is equal to this ln of this 16. We can write this as 2 to the power 4. This is 16. Or we can write x is equal to e to the power of ln of x. Now applying this, we can write this x as e to the power of ln of x. So this x is e to the power of ln of x times this ln of x is equal to, again applying this formula to the right side, we can write ln of 2 to the power 4 is equal to 4 times this ln of 2. Or rearranging left side, we can write this term first, ln of x times this e to the power of ln of x is equal to right side 4 times ln of 2. Or now taking Lambert W function to both sides, we can write this w of this ln of x times this e to the power of ln of x is equal to this w of this 4 times ln of 2. We have taken this Lambert W function to both sides. Or now applying this formula, w of a times e to the power of a, this can be written as a. So applying this formula, w of this as a, e to the power of this as a, consider this as a. So we can write this term as a. That means ln of x. So ln of x is equal to this right side w of this 4 times ln of 2. Now find the value of x. This x is equal to this ln is e base. So e to the power of this w of this 4 times ln of 2. And this is the general solution, and the approximate value of this term is 2.745, and this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.